加福音第2章第8节到12节，迄地方有各样的住伫山里，眠是酒监，看顾因的羊群。主的天使徛伫因的身边，主的阳光围雷照因。各样的大惊，天使甲因讲：无得惊，因为我报恁大欢喜的好消息，互百姓拢有份。因为今仔日伫大必的城，已经为着恁生一个拯救的，就是主基督。恁要看见一个婴仔用布包，困伫泽里的，这个就是互恁做记号。
Luke chapter 2, verses 8 through 12. And there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all the people. Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. This will be a sign to you. You will find a baby wrapped in swaddling cloths and lying in a manger."
快乐。